Kamusta ka? Okay, mag-lilita po tayo ng opening prayer. 1, 2, 3, music. Let's go.
Dear Heavenly Father, we thank you for gathering us all today in this important endeavor. We ask that you bestow your guidance and blessing upon each attendee. May we honor one another with keeping an open mind. May we voice our truth and listen with an open heart. Bless everyone present today, that each may be able to share his or her contributions and gifts. Grant good health and safety to loved ones left outside this room, and bestow peace.
Magandang hapon po sa inyo. Pasok na po tayo. Ayan. Sige po. Pasok lang po, ma'am. Hello po. Ay, ate.